Are you a trader looking for the perfect prop firm to fuel your trading career? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate prop firm showdown, FTMO versus FTUK. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which firm suits your style, from profit splits and fees to funding speeds. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this breakdown. Let's get into it. Prop trading firms are a fantastic way for traders to access significant capital without risking their own savings. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Today, we're comparing two of the biggest names in the industry, FTMO and FTUK, to help you make the right decision. Let's start with one of the most important factors, profit splits. FTMO offers a 70% profit share with traders. FTUK ups the ante with an 80% profit split. This can be a game changer for traders looking to maximize their take-home earnings. But remember, there's more to the story. Next, let's talk about the cost of getting started with these firms. FTMO charges a one-time fee that ranges between $100 to $500, depending on your account size. FTUK, on the other hand, keeps things a bit more affordable with fees starting from just £50 to £250. So, if budget is a key concern for you, FTUK might have the edge here. But don't jump to conclusions just yet. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into prop trading strategies and firm comparisons. And let me know in the comments, are you leaning towards FTMO or FTUK so far? Let's discuss how fast you can get funded and start trading. FTMO is known for its rapid account setup. Traders can get funded in as little as 10 days. FTUK is also quick, but offers more flexibility with withdrawal options, giving you control over your profits when you need it. If speed is key for you, FTMO has a slight edge, but FTUK's withdrawal flexibility is a real bonus. Now, how much capital can you trade with? FTMO offers up to $300,000 in trading capital. FTUK, a staggering $5.7 million. And when it comes to eligibility, both firms offer funded programs, but they have different risk management criteria and program durations. Quick question for you guys. If you had to choose, would you prefer higher funding limits or better withdrawal flexibility? Drop your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and firm reviews. Lastly, let's check out the customer reviews. According to Trustpilot, FTMO holds a 4.7-star rating with over 3,500 reviews. FTUK isn't far behind, with a 4.5-star rating from 2,800 traders. Both firms have rave reviews for their support and platform reliability, but FTMO users seem to love their quick withdrawals, while FTUK traders praise the firm's educational resources. So, there you have it. FTMO and FTUK both have their strengths. FTMO offers fast funding and strong customer satisfaction, while FTUK takes the lead in profit splits and capital. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more trading insights. See you in the next video.